Alright, so this is not going to be as simple as it might look. You need to put the big screw through there, then put this on top, and one more screw through there, and through there, like that. But then, we need the one, let's see, which one is that? We need the one that looks a little bit longer to be screwed in here. It's always starting these things. Is it a lefty-loosey or a righty-tighty? And part of the reason why this is annoying is because a lot of the time they haven't been used, so they just came off the
Likey